Hello, everybody. Today we will be covering a topic that is one of the most important in Algebra 1, the quadratic formula. Here we have a quadratic. X squared equals to 25. This is an example of a type of quadratic where something squared is something else. From prior knowledge, we can see that x equals to -5 or 5. If you don't understand this, we will cover this in a later lesson. Let's try a more difficult problem, however. Let's say we have x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. At first, we might not know how to solve this equation as there is no obvious answer. That is where the quadratic formula comes in. The quadratic formula for ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 is equal to -b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. What does this mean? This means that you take the constant of the x term and then you negate it and then you plus minus it because there will be two solutions. You then square the b term and you subtract 4 times a times c and you square root all that. After you either add this part or you subtract this part to this, you divide it by 2a to get your two roots or sometimes one root. Let's try to plug in the solution for this equation here and see what the quadratic equation tells us. For the part of -b, b equals to -3. So -b equals to 3. And then plus minus square root -3 squared is 9 minus 4 times -2 times 1, which is plus 8, over 2 times 1 because the coefficient of x squared is 1. So therefore, the two roots are 3 plus minus square root 17 over 2, or 3 minus square root 17 over 2, and 3 plus square root 17 over 2 from this plus minus equation. Thank you for listening and have a great day.